you of
Oh, my hand!
It reminds you of blood. Hey besties,
I'm Brittany,
and I'm Katrina. Welcome back to Erasing Mistakes,
where we make the mistakes so that you don't have to.
So y'all, today we are going to a haunted car wash. So we are going to see if we're going to erase the mistake of even doing this. Y'all, I hate
Katrina's deathly afraid.
haunted houses.
But with COVID, this is a great alternative for Halloween. Instead of being in a crowd in a haunted house, we just gonna drive through the car wash and it's haunted. I've never done this before.
Yeah.
So this should be
Interesting. So y'all gonna come on this journey with us as you'll hear me screaming.
And me laughing.
And me screaming some more.
And we have crazy Kayla in the car with us, and she's scary too. So this should be very interesting.
So come on this spooky journey on Halloween.
Happy Halloween to y'all, by the way.
He has the waiver.
I'm not showing my personal information.
And y'all, they made us turn into 87.9 to hear the spooky music.
The ghouls and the goblins that are going to get us.
They're coming. Boo! It's Halloween. The moon
Hey, y'all gonna leave me
is
to talk
full.
by myself? Wait, I don't like this
Okay. Y'all, we are waiting in the line. Look at it. Look at it. He ain't opening our door. He ain't open. Oh. I ain't playing with his ass. I mean, sorry, YouTube. I'm not playing. I gotta make sure. He's gonna run up to this car. Oh, there you go.
I ain't waiting for that.
He said, forget it. He gonna run back over here. No, he did. He already know we ain't with it. Oh, he is. Is he strumming his knife with his finger?
You making eye contact?
Oh, shit.
Oh, hell. I gotta keep
Ooh.
the scariest one.
They're going into people's cars like for real. We have to erase. Why did we do this?
Okay.
He's gonna come next. He's about to come over. Is he going in on people's trunk? Oh my god. I don't want him to look over here. Oh shoot, that's just the worker. Oh my god,
See the other black people.
Yeah.
You gonna go over there.
He
Watch
ain't
you
gonna
turn around.
Yeah,
real
watch
fast.
he go. He gonna turn around real fast, and I ain't gonna be able to handle myself. Oh, yeah. Let's just inch up. He'll forget about our car. Okay. He'll forget about our car.
You know?
I don't. Yo. We can. There he is. Wait. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. No. Get away from me, Sabe. Is he gone? Is he? I think he gone. Yeah, I think he gone. Yo, we have not even made it into the car wash, and this is the third thing that has attacked our car.
Oh, please tell me to go. He gone.
Y'all, Kayla's still under the blanket. Kayla's still under the blanket. Oh, he behind our car. No, he behind it. He ain't. No. He in the car behind us. Bless you. Bless. Oh, God. Oh, he going in the trunk. He's going in that trunk. No. Mama, can you open our trunk? No. Hey, y'all. So we still sitting in the line. And look what this car say in front of us.
Can y'all see it?
Sexy. Beep.
Edition.
No.
They do say edition under it.
Now, y'all know they wrong for that. The edition.
So, y'all, to pay for the haunted car wash, you have to actually pay like you going inside the car wash. Well, that means we got to roll down this window to pay.
And y'all see how these goons and goblins and clowns and stuff, they are like jumping in people's cars.
So if they want their cheddar, they better not be at the pay station.
We're gonna be like, back up. Back up. And we're gonna have to fold in the side mirrors. Y'all. And we can't get out the line either.
Yeah, we trapped. They did that right. It's like one way in,
one way out. And the out is through all the madness.
And then these ghetto little nigglets are in here twerking.
Let me show y'all. Look at him. Look at him. Look at him. He better stay in the car. Uh-oh. I'm not sure what's happening over there. We're going to turn the camera back. All right, y'all. We
getting closer.
Y'all, we getting closer. That's the car wash, and this is where you got to pay.
Them regular people.
Yeah, them regular people.
It's getting
the children. It's getting the children. Oh, it's getting the children. Oh, it's pulling the kids. Okay. Oh, gosh, we're getting to the place. Oh, okay. Y'all, we at the pay station. Oh, no, we don't want to pay. Oh, is it a person in costume up there?
It's like a regular person. I think they got a costume. I'm just gonna crack it enough.
Take the card, swipe it. Still staring. He is still. Oh my God! He is still. Go away. Go away. Go away. Go away.
Now he got a bag.
Oh, it's getting out of
pay.
Y'all, it's getting out of control. It really is. It's getting out of control.
Someone scoot over.
Y'all, it's a cloud. That cloud, he got a bat. Whoever got a bat now. And it got in the car. And it told people scoot over. Look at it. Look at it.
Ooh.
Look at it.
If I play some Boosie.
Everybody like zoom. Zoom. I'll bust the windows at your car. Oh. We are at the pay station where we're next to pay.
She chewing that gum, baby.
Y'all, this is the pay station. Y'all see it's still people scaring people. At the pay station.
She shaped like an Indian.
So Brittany is not for the foolery. Brittany, show them what you gonna do. She just gonna crack the window a little bit. Take the payment, please. Y'all, I really hope nobody come up on the other side over here. Like, they still scaring cars. So y'all, the car wash, y'all, to get into this thing costs $18. That is the platinum right there. Platinum included. Car wash we gotta pay for, but we ain't getting no car. Look, just come on now. Where is it? I don't see it no more.
Turn around.
Oh, okay. Look. Oh my gosh, yo. Brittany just wanna pay. Oh my gosh, y'all. Oh my gosh. Oh my God.
Gotta buy online shoes. I'll cancel it before then.
Oh, Brittany. Okay. All right, we paid y'all. Okay. See,
Y'all got some candy in there? Never mind. You keep.
we're good.
What you got?
You can have two, right?
Okay.
Okay.
Thank y'all.
No problem.
Thanks.
That's all?
Yeah.
You said two?
That's it.
I'm in sweet.
Oh, thank you. Thank you.
Thanks. All right.
You too.
Oh gosh.
Before, like where that great people is,
Uh-huh.
you go ahead and turn off the lights.
All the
Okay.
lights,
Okay. All right.
Y'all got the radio station right here?
Yes. Okay.
Yeah, I want kids.
Yeah. Y'all, we have paid, and now we're going into the car wash. Look. Ooh. Oh gosh.
She got some pretty teeth.
Yeah, she did have some pretty teeth. She's not so scary. But y'all, this is in League City, Texas. And here we go. Y'all, there is a person with the chains. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh, he got a chainsaw, y'all. He got a chainsaw. Look at him. Brittany, I'm scared. Oh shit. Oh, he got a chainsaw.
They said turn the lights off, right?
Yeah. No. The sign when you enter say we are watching. Who watching though? Who watching us? And it's like ha ha ha.
My hair hurts.
Brittany over here eating candy.
Look, that
Y'all,
clown.
Kayla's still under the
Look
cover.
at that clown.
Where the clown at? Oh shit.
Where's she?
Where's it?
I just saw her.
Oh my god. Oh, look at that one. Oh, look at that one. Oh god. Oh my god. I don't want nobody to run up on her. Oh, look at that one. Oh, look at that thing. Look at that. Look at. Oh, that's
You gotta go on that thing.
Oh, we gotta put it in reverse, Kayla. We really going through a car wash, y'all. But y'all, we really,
I'm really getting a car wash.
y'all really getting a car wash, a platinum car wash.
He said I was gonna get the platinum. She went lying.
Oh wow. Oh y'all, but how they not getting wet? Oh y'all.
Oh, that one ain't real.
Yeah, that one fake. Look at it, y'all. Kayla, look.
I was really scared right now, okay? We
Yeah,
really
it's
getting a car
fake.
wash.
Yeah. We really going through the car wash.
Is that real or fake?
That's fake. But y'all, like, tell us if y'all have real anxiety when you going through the car wash and you gotta put your car in neutral.
Oh, I hate that. And I'm already scared, plus this anxiety of getting my
Like,
wheel.
this is the worst.
Oh, shit.
Ooh, no, we
I gotta go.
bye. Oh, bye. Don't hit the thing. See, we are watching. Like, oh my gosh. Okay.
Oh, and I knew that was bad. Oh, Lord, we
Y'all got the thing.
it needs to be cold or hot.
I mean, but once we go through, we can't get scared, right?
Oh,
Because that little thing is shut up.
do we supposed to put it on cold?
I don't know. Just turn it.
I feel like it's frosting up because we hot.
Yeah. Okay, y'all. Here.
Is my
Ooh.
wheel in?
I don't know yet. Neutral. It's like neutral.
I can't see.
Hands off.
What he saying?
Oh, turn. They tell him Brittany to turn her wheel, y'all. They tell him Brittany to turn her wheel. Oh, yeah. Okay.
Am I in there?
Yeah. Okay, he said good job. Okay. But turn your windshield wipers off. He said, come on, y'all. Oh my gosh. Y'all, it's a clown right here. Look, y'all can't really see, but it's a clown. We going through a real car wash down. A real a real car wash. So I wonder if that was the experience out there. I mean, Brittany, why did we do this?
I don't know, but
Why we do this? Oh, they go, what? That is some bull thick. That is the bull thick. It is defrosting. I mean, it is flagging up more, y'all. We can't see. This is really, look, y'all. This like we going into hell.
I know. Get my life together.
Look, oh, don't it remind you of blood? It remind you of
Oh, my hand!
It reminds you of blood. It's gonna be somebody on the other side that's gonna pop
They
out.
shouldn't do that because I can just press gas.
Ooh, y'all, please don't let
The
nothing.
fact that we really getting a car wash, I think it's the best.
It's the
part of it all.
best. The best part. Y'all, 2 for 1. 2 for 1 special. But I'm really nervous because when it like clear up, is it gonna be somebody on the other side? Cause y'all look, we are like in the car wash. Oh, the lights coming on. Oh God, what's happening, guys? What's happening? Oh my gosh.
They done made a whole bunch of money.
Yeah, cause it's a lot of cars, y'all. We just nervous when the soap subsides. What's gonna be on the other side? Oh my God. Okay. I mean, Brittany car gonna be real clean, y'all.
Because I got the
Platinum. the So y'all, after Brittany signed the waiver, Brittany was like, "Are we gonna get a real car wash?" And the lady was like, "Yes, a platinum car wash." But we thought she was tripping. We thought,
there goes somebody.
No, okay. Ooh, y'all. Ooh, I'm gonna turn. Ooh. Where he at?
He on like this side.
Ooh, this is.
There he go.
Ooh, there you go. Can you see the shadow, y'all? Ooh, the way he getting wet. He is getting. Oh, okay, that's the thing. Ooh, y'all, he getting wet.
He trying to.
He is risking it all. Y'all, he is risking it all. There's another one. He's oh shit. No. Y'all. Wait, we have to eat. Okay, all right. Oh, he's been on the door. Oh shit. Oh my God. Oh. Yeah. Well. I don't know.
Turn green.
Yeah, when it turned green, picture. Y'all, we made it out the car wash. It's over, Kayla.
Are we done?
Yeah. Y'all, even though, like, and it's still that dang music still on, y'all. Look, we still hearing this, y'all. Y'all, this was the car wash. The Sprouts car wash. Y'all.
What are they doing? Okay.
Y'all. Well, okay, I don't even know.
Oh, my lights ain't on.
Oh.
No wonder I can't see.
Okay, y'all, so we made it through the Sprouts Hunted Car Wash. I give it a 1. Okay, 1 out of 10. I give it a 7 because they was really touching people and like jumping in your car.
I give them a 10 because they scared you in the line while you waited.
And they did
scared
give
you in the car.
car wash.
And you got a platinum
Car wash. The $18 platinum car wash, y'all.
So not only did we pay for the haunted experience, but my car actually got clean. So I'm with it.
Y'all, I mean, and but the thing about it, let me tell you, I take that back. I don't give him a 7. I'm gonna give him an 8.5 because that one man was risking it all. The jets was shooting out, and he was just putting on his mask and scaring us in the car wash. Y'all,
That kudos to Sprouts.
all right, besties. So that
We
is
survived the haunted car wash.
the haunted car wash. Did we erase the mistake, y'all? We don't even want to erase the mistake because it was actually kind of fun.
It was cool.
It was scary. I hate haunted houses, but it was funny. It was funny
And the fact
and fun.
that you get scared, but they really gave you a platinum car wash, baby. So it's 2 for 1. Like, you would pay for a haunted house, but not only did we pay for the haunted experience, you know, my car got washed and it was the platinum.
The platinum.
top tier.
So she got some extra sparkle and shine. I'm just, wow. Well, guys,
You see my hair right now?
look,
Kayla
yeah,
has finally come from under the blanket.
yeah, she
I'm
was.
not. No, because negative. I'm not. I ain't even built like that. I ain't never been built.
Well, y'all, until next time. Bye, besties. Happy Halloween.